DJ Puranjay Khanna from Mumbai, India, and I'm the first certified DJ from Splinters, training on the Pioneer CDJ 2000 Nexus. I would highly recommend everybody to try this out once at least. This is the best setup that is there for DJing in the world. It is highly complex. It is a brilliant system.
Hi, I'm Bhavna, the first female DJ in the country to play on the Pioneer CDJ 2000 Nexus, and I want to thank Splinters, the most amazing place that you can actually learn music from, and I want to thank my sir, the bestest of DJ in the country, DJ Soul. Thank you so much and cheers.
Hi, this is DJ Soul live on the CDJ 2000 Nexus at Splinters DJ School. Check me out giving a demo to one of my students out here. Check me out, CDJ 2000 Nexus at Splinters DJ School, Mumbai. Check this out. Thank you.